Ready to transform your customer interactions from generic to genuinely personal? First, navigate to the Broadcasts or Campaign section of your Aisensy dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Click on the Create Campaign button to start crafting your personalized message blast. Give your campaign a descriptive name and then select your target audience. You can segment your customers based on various criteria within Aisensy. Now, let's focus on the message itself. Here's the key: utilize Aisensy's personalization tags. These are placeholders that automatically insert individual customer data into each message. Look for options like first name, last name, or even custom fields you've created. For example, you can type, "Hi first name. We've got a special offer just for you." And Aisensy will replace first name with each customer's actual first name. Make your messages even more engaging by adding images, videos, or documents. Visuals help capture attention. Choose whether to send your personalized messages immediately or schedule them for a later date and time. Review your campaign settings, confirm your message, and then hit send or schedule, and that's it. You've successfully sent personalized messages that will resonate with your customers, build stronger relationships, and boost engagement with your brand.